Boom. So we're not gonna show you the whole process, but you gotta take out the drive shaft, exhaust, all of that, so we could get to the shifter up there. I don't think you guys could see it. We got a light. There we go. See the shifter up there? Yup. Trying to get to that shifter. Boom. Let's do it. Nigga is about to. Been a while since I've been in this joint. Finally. I don't even see how to take this shit off. Hold up. So I took the boot and the shifter. Got this now. So I just took it out. Alright, so now I'm confused. There ain't shit here to take off. Me and Mark out here going crazy against all the odds. Drop the tranny. Pull that bitch out. Gangster. Lit. Let's go. Now we're gonna get the new one in there.
Oh, this.
Yo, let me see.
You gotta use that old shit or no?
So the screws are in the stock location. All you gotta do is rip this little tape off. Oh, yeah, I need to get to this. Good looking. Damn, the tape got all over me. So look guys, if we move this out the way, you can see the tape right here. Remove that, you got the holes for this in the car. Let me get to that. Now it's lit, got pole 1, 2, 3, shifter. This shit feels like it's a perfect height already. So I would recommend to see how the shift is like this or not. Put it in this way and turn it in so you can fit it, because it was hidden here and here. Now I'm gonna try to put the screws in there. Call it a day. I'm here putting it in. I'm gonna set it up over there, I guess, real quick. Basically right now I got Mark put in the boot to the bottom, as you can see right there. We got the screws in. Had to remove all of this, but we on it. Boot, basically you just gotta cut it off your old one. Take it off your old one and put it on there, you just cut it, try to make it fit. That's what we're doing right now. Ended up taking off the whole center console, getting on my nerves. Phone fell through there, trying to use it as a light. Boom. I'll make it extra tight. Yo, go on the right one. Go on the right. Alright, let's double check. Go to the middle.
What?
Go to the middle again. You got it? Alright, go to the left. Bet. Alright, go. Last time on the right. Got it? I think that's good. Now I'm about to try to put all of this back together. Mess of wires I got going on. Yo, don't put the thing on the bottom yet. You heard? I got everything back together. Feels great. I just forgot how to adjust it. Right now I can't get it to third or fourth. And it goes into reverse without the lock. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But I just hit him up. Should hit me up soon and I should be able to fix it. Okay, so it's in. It's in. Hold up. The shifter's in though. It's not adjusted right now. Like I said, so it's not going into third or fourth right now straight up. But it is going into all the gears. So that's lit. That's how it looks all done. You can see the boot up there. Boot up still in there. New DSSR. Mark looking sad because he want to leave. I'm just showing them your work, bro. From the bottom, it looks sick. I wasn't even recording yet. I left it in gear. Oh, damn! That sounds wild.
The worm is loose.
Oh, it looks crazy.
454.
Nah, it looks wild, son.